Hey everyone, welcome back to Vegiverse. You've probably enjoyed sushi or pho, but that's just the tip of the iceberg. Imagine a fiery Himalayan stew or a fresh Philippine seafood salad. These are the hidden gems, tucked away in remote corners of Asia. Today, we're diving deep into Asia's undiscovered palate, exploring authentic cuisines beyond the tourist traps. Let's get into it. Globalization makes food accessible, but we often miss regional specialties that tell stories of culture and history. These dishes are identity on a plate, rooted in local life, not designed for Instagram. Food is a window into a people's soul. So, where do you find these treasures? Beyond the tourist trail, in Asia's chaotic back alleys and bustling morning markets. Picture narrow lanes in Hanoi or Jakarta, where family-run stalls serve perfected dishes to locals. No frills, just mind-blowing flavors. In Hanoi, find Chef Swan's Son, a pork cartilage porridge. Or in Sulawesi, Indonesia, try Tinutuan, a hearty vegetable porridge. These spots are alive with daily life, where farmers haggle and vendors chat. It's about community, not ambience. Family-run eateries like Warungs in Indonesia or Kedais in Malaysia are extensions of someone's home, with recipes passed down through generations. Take Peranakan cuisine in Malacca, like babi pongth, a rich braised pork. The cooks are guardians of tradition. Eating here is like a neighborhood gathering, connecting food, people, and place. That's raw and real authenticity. Now, let's unveil some regional specialties. Asia's food map is a patchwork of hyperlocal dishes. I'll spotlight 5 that will blow your mind. Starting in Bhutan, the land of gross national happiness. Their national dish? Ema Datshi, literally chili cheese. This spicy stew of green chilies simmered with tangy yak or cow cheese is a daily staple, combating the cold Himalayan air. It's home in a bowl, fiery and warming. Next, over to Laos for lap, a minced meat salad that's bold and herbaceous. Made with chicken, pork, or fish, it's mixed with fresh herbs, lime, fish sauce, and toasted sticky rice powder for crunch. Lap means luck, a celebration dish for social joy. Heading to the Philippines now for Kinilaw, a raw fish salad that's older than you think. Fresh tuna or mackerel is cooked in coconut or sugarcane vinegar with ginger, onions, and chilies. This dish predates Spanish influence, celebrating the ocean's bounty. Up in northeast India's Manipur, meet aramba, a pungent chutney all about fermentation. Boiled veggies mashed with king chilies and gari, fermented fish, create a healthy, intensely spicy side. It's soul food, a badge of Manipuri pride. Finally, in Indonesia's Aceh, asam kuing, a sour spicy fish curry echoing the spice trade. Light and water-based, with tuna simmered in a broth of sour fruit, turmeric, chilies, and aromatic leaves. It's sharp, balanced, and a comforting household staple. These dishes are the heart of regional identities, special due to hidden ingredients and ancient techniques. Think rare spices like Cambodia's kampot pepper or buah keluak in Peranakan food, a fermented nut paste. Fermented ingredients like gari fish or kuni soybeans, and techniques like sun-drying chilies or cooking in bamboo are generational wisdom, intuitive and sensory. But sadly, with urbanization, this knowledge is fading. That brings us to the challenges. Discovery is a paradox. Shining a light on a hidden spot can change it. Authenticity dilutes as recipes simplify for tourists. Globalization erodes biodiversity and urbanization breaks the knowledge chain. But responsible tourism and the diaspora offer hope, blending old with new. In wrapping up, Asia's hidden cuisines are vibrant, meaningful treasures at risk. They connect us to cultures in profound ways. Be curious. Seek out that hole-in-the-wall spot, try something unfamiliar, or travel mindfully. If this sparked your appetite, hit like, subscribe, and comment your favorite hidden gem below. Thanks for watching.